Good day, everyone. Welcome for today's virtual lesson on effective teaching strategies from Teach Like a Champion 2.0. I am Freda Totanes, one of your instructors for this session. I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. Today, we'll focus on Technique 31, Every Minute Matters. This technique is about creating a focused, efficient classroom where time is valued. By using this approach, we can help students stay on task, ensuring each minute counts towards their learning goals. Let's get started by looking at what this technique is all about. In today's lesson, we will cover the importance of managing time well, strategies you can use to make sure every minute in class contributes to learning, and a few practical examples you can apply in the classroom. The goal is to reduce downtime so that learning can happen continuously and smoothly. And by the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand and apply every minute matters technique. You'll know why time management is critical in the classroom. And we'll see how you can put these ideas in practice to boost productivity. Let's dive into what every minute matters really means. So, every minute matters. This is a technique that helps us make the most of our learning time by cutting down on moments that don't contribute to learning. Just think about it. If we lose 5 minutes here and there, those minutes really add up. By the end of the week, we could have missed out on 25 minutes of valuable learning time. Over the course of a month or a school year, we'd be missing out on hours that could have helped us reach our goals. Right, class? The idea is very simple. Time is one of our most valuable resources in class. Just like we put effort into understanding our subjects, we also need to put effort into valuing our time together. Each moment should bring us closer to our learning goals, whether it's through a quick activity, a discussion, or even a short reflection. It doesn't mean we have to rush, just that we're focused on using our time very well. So, from now on, let's all work together to make the most of each minute. If we're efficient and on task, we can accomplish so much more. Right, class? And you'll see how that consistency really benefits your learning. Let's make every second count. Alright, class, I hope you're still listening. Moving on, let's now get into how we can actually make every minute matters in our classroom. There are 4 simple ways we can do this, and they'll help us stay on track and keep our learning moving. First, we can establish routines. When we have clear, consistent routines, you'll know exactly what to do without having to wait for instructions every time. It also saves us a lot of time because everyone is ready to jump into the next activity right away. Next, we also want to practice quick transitions. This just means moving smoothly and quickly from one activity to the next without downtime. So, if we finish a discussion, we go straight into the next activity with no lag, keeping our focus strong. For the third one, setting tight time frames. So, for example, I will give you a specific time limit for activities so that you know exactly how much time you have to focus and get things done. This helps us stay engaged and on task instead of letting our attention drift. Did you understand? Okay, before we continue with the last strategy, are there any questions, clarifications, violent reactions? If there's none, let's continue with the last one. Finally, I will be using what's called the language of urgency. So, After some time, you'll hear me say things like, let's go, or right away to keep us moving and motivated. These little prompts reminds us that we're here to make the most of each minute. With these four strategies, routines, quick transitions, tight time frames, and the language of urgency, we'll be able to use our class time effectively, keeping the focus on learning and making every moment count. Okay, that's it for Technique 31. Every minute matters. Do you have questions, class? Okay, if there's none, let's have an activity for us to check your understanding of our lesson today. I will be flashing some questions on the screen. Please write your answers on a piece of paper. This way, you can check your own answers afterwards when we go over them together. You'll only have 5 minutes to answer the questions, so please focus and try to answer as accurately as possible. Just like we talked about, every minute counts. Get ready and keep your attention on the screen. Okay, alright everyone, time's up. Let's see the answers. Compare your answers with the correct ones and see where you might have made mistakes. Okay, are you done? Before we end our class today, let's take a moment to think about how we use our time today. We covered a lot of important points, and every minute counted in building our understanding. Time is valuable, especially in learning. So, let's focus on making the most of every minute of class time. Every moment in the classroom is an opportunity for learning. Structured time management keeps students engaged and minimizes downtime. That's it for today, class. Thank you for staying engaged. Have a great day and see you in our next class.